Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2015 Audi A1. So from any screen there, you've got media, radio, you've got telephone up here, or menu. If you press menu, you can get to the telephone. There you go, telephone, like so, or you can just click the telephone. Now here we go. In each of the corners there's an instruction. There is settings. That corresponds to these 4 buttons here around the selector, the rotary selector. So we'll click on settings. Then here, use the rotary selector to go down to Bluetooth. Click on Bluetooth. You've got Bluetooth. If you have any problems pairing or anything, just make sure there's an on next to Bluetooth there. And you've got Bluetooth audio player, bonded Bluetooth devices. That's what we want to delete. And you see there, that's mine. So actually, let me just delete this. So forget this device, otherwise it won't let me do it. Not my Bluetooth off. So you see there, my phone's not connected anymore. But if I just select that now, it gives you the option to delete it or connect it if it was bonded. So delete. Do you really want to delete? So we just have to select yes, yes. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2015 Audi A1. So first of all, we have to make sure Bluetooth is on. So that's on there, and we're watching out for the Audi MMI system at the bottom. But again, you can either, if you go to telephone there, it's saying search for a new mobile, or you can go into menu and you can select the telephone, click on telephone, and you come to the same screen. Search for new mobile, and then click continue. It's now looking, it's found my phone has found the car, but the car hasn't found the phone yet. So we'll just wait. If you click this too early, it quite often doesn't pair and you have to start again. So we'll just wait for it to find the phone. There you go. So it's found my phone there. Click the selector. Click hands-free. Connection's being established. There you go. Bluetooth pairing request. Pair. Does this pin match? Well, yes it did, so yes. Allow contacts and favorites to sync. Allow. Connection's been established there, and it's also connected here. Okay, I'll just show you how to stream music through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2015 Audi A1. Sometimes it's not as simple as you might hope. You think when you've paired your phone it will work. Sometimes it does, but sometimes it doesn't. And I've had this in a few Audis. So if it's going to work, if you go to your iTunes, you'll see here where this silver triangle and the 3 silver circles are, you'll see Audi MMI. If you just click on that, it tells you what's available to you. But that just says iPhone. It's not showing Audi MMI. So now, if we go to menu, and then we go to telephone, click on telephone, you see there, you've got dial and settings down here. Now each corner of that screen corresponds to one of these 4 buttons at the side of the rotary selector. So we'll click the bottom one, which had settings, go down to Bluetooth, click Bluetooth, and then if we go down to bonded Bluetooth devices, click that, you'll see Barry's iPhone, click on it again, and you'll see their Audi player. Hands-free, it's already connected, so the only option is disconnect. Audi player, audio player, down to there, click on that. There you go, it's come up Audi MMI. So I can now play this music through the Bluetooth hands-free system. So in order to do that, we need to go to media. I'll just click back, so because it's already on. So if I click on media, it gives you a few choices. If you've got USB plugged in or auxiliary in or an SD card, then you'll be able to scroll through with media. So once it's showing the track on the screen that's playing on your phone, as I say, you can just flick through media there till you get to it. Oops. There you go. Now, if that's playing, if I turn this up and then turn my phone up, that's it playing through the system. It's not as simple as it could be. Sometimes it works. You pay your phone. Other times it doesn't, and I don't know why it doesn't. Because we sell quite a lot of Audis, but sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Thanks for watching.